What are digital products and how do you sell them? That's a digital product, ebooks. It's the first one I ever created. You can make an ebook with all kinds of pictures and video inside them and sell them as templates. You can take ebooks and, like I did, my horror stuff, and recreate them on Amazon and Kobo. Smashbooks was another one. And if you're into photography's a great one. You can sell your pictures as stock footage or your videos, or you can sell them as art to be framed, or sell them as pictures for t-shirts and coffee mugs and such. Then there's music and sound effects. Sound effects is probably one of the most in-demand products at the moment. And if you're a musician, and it doesn't have to be horror or anything like that, you're just a plain musician. I know there's no such thing as plain musicians. Anyways, if you're a musician, you can put your own albums out or your own singles or whatever and have people download them. They can be used in the background music of videos such as this. And then there's the big one, courses. Courses over the last year or so have really exploded. And that's because you can resell some of these courses after you've learned from them. They help you set up a business. And I don't mean a business of selling courses, but a business of such as I am and setting up a business for horror writers or horror individuals. But I just don't look after horror people. Anybody that wants to set up a business can buy a course from me and do the same thing and be guided by me. Besides photography, there's graphic. If you're a graphic designer or know how to use Photoshop and Canva, you can make things and sell them online. They go from anything like PowerPoint themes to graphics to logos to icons to templates. There's a whole array of stuff you can sell and create. Then there are podcasts. Podcasts is really the most up-to-date thing you can do. It moves the message and it moves it fast through the internet. Podcasts can promote your products and you can have guests in your genre, such like if I got another horror writer on, then I can present them over a podcast. Podcasts are really interesting to listen to. They go on longer than a video, that's for sure, and usually really them talking to you. And after all that, you can add memberships, subscriptions. You can have your own community on Facebook and people will go there and exchange ideas. Once they join up, if, me as a horror writer, and if I get a bunch of horror writers and have kind of like a mini mall, for people to give ideas and sell their wares. Now, where do you sell them? Well, you can use your own website. You can use a digital store like Dan Store. You can do it through social media and emailing. You can use digital auctions and paid channels. I don't know anything about paid channels, so that's a new one for me. The easiest way of doing this is set up a place like Stan Store or your own website. Combine them all. Beacon is another place you could sell. Gumroad. Combining these different platforms will give you a much broader reach in the world for your product. So I think that's about it for today. Until tomorrow, have a great day and evening. Bye.